Hello everyone! Today I will be reviewing DIY bike repair. If you want to know whether you should buy DIY bike repair, then please watch this video till the end. Also, don't forget to check out the first link in the description below to find real user reviews of DIY bike repair left by users who have bought and used the product.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
DIY bike repair website was launched on May 25, 2011. The creator of DIY bike repair is Dave Delgado. DIY bike repair comes with 60 days money back guarantee, so if you are unhappy after the purchase, you can request a refund within 60 days. Now, I will read out the reviews left by users who have used DIY bike repair. Here is a review by Noah. He says, "My brother bought me this program and I have to say it is the best that I can think of. The videos offered here are the best with very clear information and explanation such that I do not have to get mechanic at all." Next review is by William. He says, "I do not really think there are any better tips than this. The program is made of some amazing videos that I will not stop using. They are very clear." Next review is by James. He says, "DIY bike repair videos by Dave Delgado, a video guide to bicycle maintenance and repair having more than 200 videos and DIY manuals. It teaches you to repair mountain bikes, road bikes, and a section of racing bikes. Most people dread of going to bicycle repair shop again and again because of the mechanics does a little thing and takes a lot of money. Most of the mechanics can't maintain your bike as good as you can. You can maintain the parts of your bike by your own, like grip, chain, derailleur, gear, etc. And your bike will be super smooth if you do this thing on regular basis." Next review is by Andrew. He says, "This program has been ranked as one of the best in its segment by several websites and has received a good customer feedback." Next review is by Thomas. He says, "My son and I love to ride bicycles every now and then. Last summer, we had a problem with servicing his bike. I hadn't learned much about it as well. We found this product on the internet, and I am happy that I no longer have to go to bicycle shop to get it repaired. The tutorials are easy to follow and I can use my phone when I'm not near my laptop. Highly recommended product." And there are a lot more reviews. Now, we would like to invite everyone who have bought and used DIY bike repair to please go over to our website at the link in the description below at the website cbreviewsworld.com and leave a comment about what your experiences was like using DIY bike repair. Your review will help everyone to know if they should buy this product or if they should skip it. We thank you for cooperating with us by leaving your reviews on our website. Your reviews will benefit everyone who are researching for DIY bike repair. Thanks. Have a good day.